Children,
Hello, teacher.
hi.
Hi.
What are you going to do now?
We are going to write dictation.
How many words are there?
I think
10. Okay. Did you practice the dictation words?
10. Yes, teacher.
Yeah, okay. Then put the date. Tell me what is the date today?
Today is 1st of July.
What is the name of today?
Saturday.
Okay. Put the date and write as dictation and put the numbers 1 to 10, please. Shall we write now?
No, teacher.
No, why? Why no? Are you still putting the date? Then what are you doing, children, at this much time?
We are going to write as dictation.
Okay. Write as dictation. Get ready now. Please close the written books. Words written books you should close. Sudama, are you okay? No. Okay.